Beverly Hills on our way to see Dr. Nguyen, and he's a facial plastic surgeon, double board certified, and he has some fascinating new ideas for you and how to look great. Come on, let's go. Hi, Dr. Nguyen, how are you?
Hi, Jill, how are you?
I'm great. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
You are a double board certified facial plastic surgeon.
Yes, I am a facial plastic surgeon and a head and neck surgeon, so my expertise is the neck and above.
The neck and above. And you've had some extensive training, obviously. How has that education impacted your philosophy and your work?
Well, when I was at Yale, I was trained to be very precise in my surgical technique, so it's very important. I also trained with Frank Kamer, who was the god of plastic surgery in Beverly Hills, and I trained with him. I was asked to be his associate, so I stayed on with him until he retired. So I've been very fortunate to have the best training possible, and that's how I've been imparted all these skills in addition to my own innate skills.
And you have something called fibrin glue now?
Yes.
Does fibrin glue actually expedite the healing process?
Absolutely. Patients don't have to wear the big bulky dressing that
we all love so much.
Yeah, and patients don't need drains anymore, and they are less bruised or less swollen. They're able to go out in public in a week. Before, it used to take a month. So it's great, especially in my patients here who are active in the entertainment industry. They're business professionals. They need to get out and they need to start moving, and it definitely helps expedite the healing process. Well, I was recently chosen as one of 6 surgeons in the entire country to be part of an FDA clinical trial to really show how beneficial fibrin glue is for facelifts. And so I am a pioneer in this field. It really helps to expedite the healing, and we found that patients are a lot happier, they look better, and they feel better.
We all see that pout that is so recognizable, and we all know what we're talking about, but people love your lips because they look natural. What are you doing to make these lips look so great?
Yeah, well, I think full, luscious lips is what every woman wants. Fillers are great for that. I also am on the cutting edge. I'm using a new perma-lip implant that is great because it's an in-office procedure. It takes about half an hour to do, and the implants, they're very mobile, they're very soft, so they're very natural in feel and also in appearance. They're permanent in the sense that they last forever, but if a patient doesn't like it, they're easy to take out as well. And that's why I like this new product.
We're going to be talking to a patient, and you're going to show a patient that you've been working with pro bono. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
My pro bono work includes working with patients who have been affected by the economy. And I have a patient in particular who had a brain tumor, had lymphoma, and on top of it, lost her job because of the economy. So what Mary Ellen has are these laugh lines here, and they're these grooves that make her look very tired and sunken in. So what we're gonna do is inject with Juvederm, which is a collagen replacement, to soften her lines here, to give her more volume back. And so that's part of the stepwise progression for this patient.
You do a lot of philanthropic work for people, but you also do a lot of philanthropic work for animals, which is really important.
I just recently had a great experience working with one of the groups, which is called Animal Advocates Alliance. And it was a great fundraiser that I hosted at the Peninsula Hotel here in Beverly Hills. And it really helped to educate not only me, but also my patients and other people in the community about rescue animals and what we can do to really help these animals in need.
So you work with the nose, which probably has to be very specific and precise, and the brow lifts. Can a small brow lift make a big change?
A brow lift can make a big change because heavy brows can make you look very angry, it can make you look very tired, and it not only affects how people perceive you, but even on the job. You might not even get hired for a job because you look like you're gonna not be fresh and
You're not
vibrant.
A people person.
Yeah, you're not a people person.
Right.
So the heavy brows, when they're addressed with a brow lift, by lifting up, you can then see a person's eyes, and really, eyes are what really keeps people connected. And I think that's why, to me, the endoscopic brow lift is one of my favorite procedures.
And you also have the passion for what you do.
I feel like I get to be an artist every day. And not only do I do surgery, but I get to be an artist, I get to sculpt, and I get to paint every single day.